Hi guys, welcome to my session. Before I start my class, please enable the bell icon, guys, so that you get the notification of all the classes. Do subscribe our channel. I'm going to discuss today KCET 2015 paper with using the best possible tricks and shortcuts. Wherever I come across the time-saving results, you will get. So let us discuss this paper, guys. Question number one. If alpha beta are the roots of the equation, then then what's alpha square plus beta square? A square plus b square can be written as a plus b the whole square minus 2ab minus 2 alpha beta. So this quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right, if I compare a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus a is equal to b square. Sum of the roots is minus b by a and product of the roots is equal to c by a. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a minus of minus is plus b is minus a, right? So minus of minus a is plus a upon 1. So alpha plus beta is a. Alpha into beta is b square by 1 equal to b square. Now alpha plus beta is a, so this becomes a square minus 2 times alpha into beta is b square. This is a square minus 2b square. That is option A. Right? Let's move to the next question. This is in the GP, right? This is AR square, AR cube, and so on. This is in GP. Second term of a GP is 24. Fifth term is 3. Second term is AR is equal to. Second term of a GP A2 is equal to 24. And fifth term of a GP is 3. AR is equal to 24. And fifth term AR power 4 is equal to 3. Solve equation 2. Right. Let us divide solve equations 1 and 2. Get the values of A and R. If I divide equation 2 by equation 1, AR to the power of 4 divided by AR is equal to 3 upon 24. Okay, this will cancel. R cube is equal to 1 upon 8. R cube is equal to 1 by 2 the whole cube. From this R is equal to 1 by 2. R is equal to 1 upon 2. Right? Now take the value of R. Either you substitute in equation 1 or you substitute in equation 2. Get A into half is equal to 24. A is equal to 48. So I know the value of A, I know the value of R. I should find the sum of first 6 terms. This is A plus AR square plus AR cube plus AR power 4 plus AR power 5. Sum of first 6 terms. Right, A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. That's the formula. Right, n is equal to 6 because number of terms is 6. I know the value of A and R. If I substitute, A is 48, right? 1 minus R is 1 by 2 power 6 divided by 1 minus R. This is 48. 2 power 6 is 64. 1 minus half is half. 48 to 63 by 64. Then 2 goes to the numerator. 16 into 3 is 48. 16 4 64. Will cancel 2 times. We'll get 189 upon 2. That is answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Middle term in the expansion of. Okay, see we know when in the expansion of x plus a whole power n. Whenever n is even, okay, middle term is Middle term is n by 2 plus 1th term. If n is odd, there are two middle terms. Middle terms will be equal to n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 whole divided by 2, and n plus 3 by 2. These are the middle terms. Right, now this is of the form x plus a whole power n. X is equal to 10 by x, a is equal to by 10, and n is equal to 10, e1. Right? So if it is e1, middle term is n by 2 plus 1th term. Middle term is equal to n by 2 plus 1. 10 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 6th term. Now tr plus 1, the formula, right? Tr plus 1 is equal to ncr to the power of n minus r to a power r. Tr plus 1 is equal to ncr to the power of n minus r to a power r. This is general term in the expression of x plus a whole power n. Now if I substitute the values, I'm supposed to find the 6th term, that is 6. T6 can be written as T5 plus 1, right? T5 plus 1 is equal to NCR is equal to 10, 10C5 the power of n minus r, right? X is equal to 10 by x whole power 5 to a power r. A is equal to what? By 10 whole power 5, right? 10 by x by 10 will cancel. So 10C5, 10 power 5, x power 5. So this is 10 power 5, x power 5, right? Power 5, 10 power 5. Hello, we got x power 5, 10 power 5, right? I'm going to cancel 10 power 5. I'm going to cancel power 5. Get this is 10 power 5, right? Answer is option. So remember the formula, guys. If n is even, n is odd, middle term, remember this. There are similar questions in NCRT. Practice for that. Practice those questions. You get more clarity. Right. Now let's move to the next question. Area of a triangle whose vertices are, okay. Now let's say this vertex is x1 comma y1, x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. This is x3 comma y3. Area of a triangle is equal. Area of a triangle is vertices are, right. Now area of a triangle is equal to half of determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Now this is area is equal to half of, if I substitute those vertices, x1 by a, y1 by a, and 1, 2 by b, y2 by b, 1, 3 by c, y3 by c, and 1. Right, now area is equal to half of, I'm going to take 1 by a out, 1 by b out, and 1 by c out. The first row you take 1 by a out, second row you take 1 by b out, third row you take 1 by c out. This becomes x1 y1a, x2 y2a, y2b. This is x3 y3 and c. Area is equal to 1 by 2 abc. Okay, and then if I use this result, okay, I'm going to multiply and divide by 2. x1 x1 x2 x3, y1 y2 y3, 2a 2b and 2c. Just multiplying and dividing by 2, get 1 by 4 abc. Okay, and if I use equation 1, From equation 1, the determinant value will be equal to ABC by 2. Right? Don't worry about the column arrangement. Right? You can use the properties of determinants and bring it to that form. I'm going to cancel ABC. Left out is 1 by 8. Answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Shaded region in the figure is given by the equation. Okay, now see this equation. Y is equal to 14, right? 0, 14, 19, 14, line parallel to y-axis, y equal to the x 5, 0, 0, 4, 0, 14. So this equation is 14x plus 5y greater than or equal to 70. You can take the corner point, substitute whether it will satisfy that. This for this, you can write x minus y. This line is x minus. Either use the 2-point form or you take this line, substitute, take this line is x 5 only. So y less than 14 towards the origin, right? Towards the origin. Right, this is away from the origin, greater than 70 is away from the origin. X minus y less than, this should be less than 5 or equal to 5 because this is towards the origin. Answer is option A only. Right, let's move to the next question. Right, there are some logical equivalent statements which you need to remember. Negation of P conjunction Q logically equivalent to negation P disjunction negation Q. Negation of P disjunction Q logically equivalent to negation P conjunction negation Q. Negation of P implies Q logically equivalent to P conjunction negation of P double implication Q logically equivalent to P conjunction negation Q conjunction with negation P conjunction. Right, so I'm going to use these values. I'm going to use this results. So if I use that first result, negation of negation P conjunction Q. Right, this is logically equivalent to negation P disjunction negation. Right, so junction negation Q is first option only. Let's move to the next question. Value of sine inverse of 2 by 3 plus sine inverse of 1. Okay, so I'm going to take a triangle. Sine inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. Let us keep as it is. Plus sine inverse of 1 by 3. Convert this to cos inverse. Okay, take a triangle. Take a right angle triangle. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse, right? Opposite is 1, hypotenuse. If I use Pythagoras theorem, this will be 2 root 2. 9 minus 1 with root. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, right? So this is cos inverse of 2. This is sine inverse of 1 by 3. Cos inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. Right? So this is of the form sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x. Right? Sine inverse plus cos inverse is pi by 2, right? Sine inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is pi upon 2. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. The eccentricity of the hyperbola 5 by 4 equal to 5 by 4. Okay, and 2x plus 3y minus 0 is a focal chord of the hyperbola. Chord drawn for the focus is called the focal chord. The hyperbola, right? Hyperbola. Chord drawn from the focus is called the focal chord. So this focus is equal to a comma 0, right? I know the value of e is equal to 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 to a comma 0. Vertex focus will be equal to 5 by 4, 5a by 4 comma x, this is y. Right, and this is a focal chord. Focal chord is 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. The focal chord is passing through the focus, right? I'll get the value of a. Equation 1 becomes 2 into 5a by 4, okay, plus 0 is minus 6 is equal to 0. Cancel 2 times. 5a by 2 is equal to 6. A is equal to 12 by 5. Okay, and I'm supposed to find what is length of the transfer axis. Length of transfer axis is equal to 2a. 2 times 12 into 5. 12 upon 5. 24 by 5. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Vector A is given, mod B is given. Angle between A and B is pi by 3, that is 30 degree. Area of the triangle formed with two vectors as sides. Area of the triangle is equal to half of modulus of A cross B, right? It will be equal to half of mod A into mod B to sine theta. Angle between A and B is 30 degree. Pi by 6. It's already given. Equal to half of modulus of A is equal to root of. If I use this modulus of A 1 plus 4 plus 4. Root 9 is 3. Modulus of B is 5. Sine 30 is half. It will be equal to 15 upon 4. Answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Vector A is given, B is a vector such that A dot B is equal to mod B the whole square. Okay. Modulus of A minus B is equal to root of 7. If I square on both sides, modulus of A minus B the whole square is equal to 7 only. Root 7 the whole square is 7. A minus B the whole square is A square plus B square minus 2 times A dot B is equal to 7. Here modulus of A, root of 1 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to root of 14. So mod A the whole square is 14 plus modulus of B the whole square, okay, minus 2 times. Given in the question that A dot B is mod B the whole square. Mod B the whole square is equal to 7. So 14. To subtract, you get minus mod B the whole square is equal to 7. 14 minus 7 is equal to mod B the whole square. Modulus of B the whole square is equal to 7. Mod of B is equal to root 7. Right? Answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. The direction cosines of a vector of magnitude 3, 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So these are the DCs. These are the direction ratios. Sorry, direction cosines. Okay, direction cosines are given. Direction ratios are proportional to direction cosines, or direction cosines are proportional to direction ratios. Means the direction ratios will be equal to 2, comma minus a, comma 2. Right, now now vector r is equal to 2i minus aj plus 2k. Vector r is given according to the question, magnitude 3, right? Modulus of r is equal to 3. Okay, this condition is given in the problem. Modulus of r is root of 4 plus a square plus 4 is equal to 3. If I square on both sides, 8 plus a square is equal to 9. A square is equal to 1. Then a is equal to 1. If I substitute here, vector r is equal to vector r is equal to 2i minus j. You can't take plus minus here. Note that it's given in the question that a should be positive. A square is 1. A is equal to 1 only. Because according to the question, a should be positive. Vector r is equal to 2i minus j. plus 2k. Right, answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Equation of a line passing through the point 231 and parallel to the line of intersection of the planes. I'm supposed to find the equation of a line passing through the point 2, 3, 1 and parallel to the line of intersection of the planes. Okay, let's say dr's normal to the plane. Dr's normal to this plane is 1, -2 and -1, and dr's normal to this plane is 1, 1, 3. Right, now this is dr's. If I take, suppose this is a, b, this vector is a cross b, right? I'm going to I'll find out the dr's normal to the plane. So dr's normal to the plane will be equal to determinant of ijk. Right, here I get 1, -2 and -1, then 1, 1, 3. If I expand this, I into delete first row first column, -6 plus 1 is -5. Delete first row second column. Let me do it here. Determinant of components of ijk, and then this is 1, -2, -1, 1, 1, 3. I into delete first row first column, -6 plus 1 is -5. Delete first row second column. For delete first row second column, this is +4, plus k into first row last column, you get +3, -5i minus 4j plus 3k. So drs will be equal to -5 -4 plus 3. So if they are parallel, drs will be same. Drs will be proportional, 5 -4 and 3. This is a comma b comma c. X1, y1 and z1. Right, equation of the line will be equal to x minus x1 divided by a equal to y minus y1 divided by b equal to z minus z1 divided by c. Right, now x minus x1, 2, divided by a is -5, y minus y1 is 3, divided by b is -4, and z minus z1 divided by c is -5 -4 plus 3. Answer should be option B only. Right, let's move to the next question. Foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane. Foot of the perpendicular drawn from 0, 0, 0, the plane 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 29. Right, this is n. This is foot of the perpendicular. Plane 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 20. Direction ratios normal to the plane 2 minus 3 and 4. Equation of Pn will be equal to x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. X1, y1 and z1, abc. Right, now equation of line Pn will be equal to x minus 0 divided by a, y minus 0 divided by b, and z minus 0 divided by 4. Let this be equal to lambda, some scalar. This is equal to 2 lambda, y is equal to minus 3 lambda, z is equal to 4 lambda. Foot of the perpendicular will be equal to 2 lambda minus 3 lambda 4 lambda. So I should find the value of lambda, right? But since n lies on the plane, okay, since n lies on the plane, n lies on the plane, 2x minus 3y plus 4z is equal to 29. Right? All this is equation 1. Now you substitute in equation 1. Get 2 into 2 lambda minus 3 into minus 3 lambda plus 4 into 4 lambda is equal to 29. Right? So you get 4 lambda plus 9 lambda plus 16 lambda is equal to 29. If you add all this, you get 29 lambda is equal to 29. Lambda should be equal to 1. Now foot of the perpendicular will be equal to foot of the perpendicular is equal to 2 comma minus 3 comma 4. 2 minus 3 4 answer is option right. If you want extra questions, practice questions on these similar problems, it is there in NCERT exercise. 5 questions are there and one worked example is there, that is foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane. In JMN you will get apart from the origin image of a point foot of the perpendicular not from the origin with respect to other point as well. Okay, let's move to the next question. Two dice are thrown simultaneously, the probability that the sum of numbers which come up the dice to be more than 5. I taught you the shortcut in 2014 paper. Two dice are rolled, sample space is equal to 1 1 to 1 6, 1 1 to 1 6, okay, and so on up to 6 1 to 6 6. N of s is equal to 6 into right. Now two dice are rolled, sum of numbers minimum sum is 2, maximum is 12. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. 4 on the left, 5 on the left, 5 on the right. Middle term is seventh term only. So the sum and this will be probability. Okay, this will be the sum, the probability. Sum is 2, sum can be 2, sum is 3, 4, 5, sum is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, and the corresponding probability will be equal to, here I get 2, 4, 5, 6, sum, right? This will be probability. Right, now listen. Write 1, 2, 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6. Now write in reverse order. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. The sum, the other will be probability. Right, now the probability of sum more than 5. Sum more than 5 means sum should be 6, sum should be 7, like this up to sum 12. So on up to sum 12. Alright. Two dice are rolled. What is asking, what is the probability on which the sum of numbers appearing on the die should be more than 5. Sum should more than 5 means 6, 7, 8 up to 12. 6 to 12. A probability of getting sum 6. Probability of getting sum 6 is 5. Probability of getting sum 7 is 6. Probability of getting sum 8 is 5. 4, this is 2, this is 1. Right. Now total outcome, n of total outcome is 36. Right, now if I add all this, probability of getting sum 6, 5, okay, sum 7 is 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2 and 1. Okay, if you add all this, 1 to 6 is n into n plus 1 by 2, right? That is 21, right? 21 plus 5, 26. You add all this, you get 26. 26 upon 36, which is equal to 13 by 18. Okay, answer is option D. Use the shortcut, it's very simple. Let's move to the next question. Y is equal to f of x square plus 2. What is f dash of 3 is equal to 5? Then what is dy by dx? Okay, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of fx is f dash, right? Becomes f dash of x square plus 2. If I use the chain rule, differentiation of x square is 2x. Square plus 2 and differentiation of x square is 2x. Now dy by dx, x at x is equal to 1 will be f dash of 3 into 2. F dash of 3 is 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Okay, answer is option D. The question on parametric differentiation. Dx by d theta is equal to 3a cos square theta, and differentiation of cos is minus sine. Right, and then dy by d theta is equal to 3a sine square. Differentiation of sine is cos. If I divide these two, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is 3a sine square to cos. Dx by d theta is minus 3a cos square to sine. Right, now 3a will cancel with sine, will cancel with the square. Sine will cancel with the square, cos will cancel with the square. It is minus sine upon cos equal to minus tan. Okay, I'm supposed to find what is 1 plus tan square, right? 1 plus dy by dx the whole square, that is 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square is sec square. Answer is option. Let's move to the next question. Okay, slope of the normal to the curve y is equal to x square minus 1 by x square at minus 1 comma 0. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, right? Differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Differentiation of 1 by x square minus 2 by x cube. Differentiation of 1 by x cube minus 3 by x power 4. So on, this will continue. Now if I differentiate dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x square is 2x, right? Differentiation of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. Now dy by dx is equal to 2x minus and minus is plus 2 by x cube. Okay, this is dy by dx. Dy by dx at the point minus 1 comma 0 equal to minus 2 by plus 2 by minus 1 the whole. Minus 2 is equal to minus 4. M, the slope of tangent. I'm supposed to find slope of normal, right? Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by m equal to plus 1 by 4. Okay, last answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Integration of 1 upon x square. Okay, now listen. Take the highest power of x out. I'm going to take x power 4 out. Get 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4. Okay, now this is equal to integration of 1 divided by x square power 4 whole power 3 by 4. Power 4 whole power 3 by 4 into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4. 4 will cancel with 4. Okay, now this is equal to integration of 1 divided by x power 5 1 divided by x power 5 to 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole to the power of 3 by 4 dx. Okay, now I'm going to put 1 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to t. Differentiation of 1 is 0. 1 by x power 4 is minus 4 by x power 5 dx is equal to dt. Get 1 by x power 5 dx equal to minus dt by 4. Okay, so this is minus 1 by 4. Dx by x power 5 is dt by 4 divided by t to the power of 3 by 4. I'll take this to numerator, t to the power of minus 3 by 4 and then dt. Minus 1 by 4, t to the power of minus 3 by 4 plus 1 upon minus 3 by 4 plus 1 plus c. Okay, now this becomes minus 1 by 4 e to the power of 1 by 4 by 1 by 4 and plus c will cancel. Minus of, what's the value of t now? X power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4 plus c. Okay, now this is equal to minus to the power of 4 plus 1 whole to the power of 1 by 4 divided by x power 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4 plus c. 4 and 4 cancels. Get minus of power 4 plus 1 whole power 1 by 4 divided by x plus c. Okay, answer is option A. There's similar questions in miscellaneous NCRT miscellaneous, and there's one similar workload example also. The textbook you can check for extra practice questions. Let's move to the next question. F of 2. Suppose I find out f of 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 divided by 2 square plus 1, which is 2 by 5. Now f of 2 will be equal to f of 2 by 5. Now if I substitute, you get 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 5 the whole square plus 1. 2 upon 5, 4 by 25 plus 1. 2 by 5, okay, LCM is 25, you get 29 by 25. Okay, so this 2 by 5, 25 by 29. You cancel 5 times. Answer will be equal to 10 upon 20. Answer is option B. Right? Let's move to the next question. 15 degree. When this is 15 degree, equal to cos 15, cos 75 minus sin 15, sin 75. So this is of the form cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B, which is equal to cos of A plus B. Okay, so this fellow cos of A plus B means cos of 15 plus 75 equal to cos 90. Okay, and cos 90 is 0. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. It's a bonus question, guys. Error in the problem. So, to this question. Let's move to the next question. Okay, there are some standard results in NCRT which you need to remember. 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx, 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx is same as 0 to pi by 2 log of cot x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx is equal to 0. 0 to pi by 2 log of c equal to minus pi by 2 to log 2 or plus pi by 2 to log 1 by 2. 0 to pi by 2 log of sec x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log of cosec x dx equal to plus pi by 2 into log 2 or minus pi by 2 to log 1 by 2. Then this is 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. 1 plus tan x dx pi by 8 into log 2. Okay, and then 0 to pi into sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx equal to pi square by 4. Okay, so equal to 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 4 log of sin x by cos x plus cos by cos is 1. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Right, now 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus sin x log of 1 plus tan x dx pi by 8 log 2. I'll use this result. Okay, so if I use this result, pi by 8 into log 2, answer is option C. Okay, area bounded by the curve y is equal to x cube, y is equal to 8 and x is equal to 0. Y equal to x cube is a cubic function, right? Get a graph like this. Y is equal to 8, y is equal to 8. Okay, and in x-axis y will be the equation of x-axis y will be this area I'm supposed to find out. Y is equal to x cube, same as x is equal to y to the power of cube root of y is equal to y to the power of 1 by 3. Area is equal to integration of y is equal to 0, y is equal to a to y equal to b, then f of y dy. Y is equal to 0, y equal to 8, then y to the power of 1 by 3 dy. Okay, y to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1, which the limits is 0 to 8. So y to the power of 4 by 3 divided by 4 by 3 in the limits 0 to 8. This is 3 by 4 and 8 to the power of 4 by 3 minus 1. Okay, so this is 3 by 4, 2 cube whole to the power of 4 by 3 minus 0, sorry, minus 0. 3 by 4, 3 and 3 cancels, 2 per 4 is 16, cancel 4 times, 4 into 3 is 12, get 12 square units. Answer is options. Let's move to the next question. A and ABC are three vectors. Vector in the plane of A and B is vector R is equal to A plus lambda times B. Vector in the plane of A and B, right, whose projection on C is 1 by 3. According to the question, R dot C divided by modulus of C is equal to 1 by root 3. And I'm supposed to find out what is that vector in the plane of A and B. Vector R is equal to I plus 2j plus k plus lambda times vector B, I minus j plus k. Vector R is equal to I plus 2j plus k. If you multiply lambda, lambda I minus lambda j plus lambda k. Vector R is equal to 1 plus lambda into I 2 minus lambda into j, 1 plus lambda into k. Okay, 1 plus lambda into k, this is vector r. R dot c divided by mod c. C is equal to I plus j plus minus k, right? Now r dot c will be equal to 1 plus lambda plus 2 minus lambda minus of 1 plus lambda by modulus of c. Mod of c is root 3. Okay, is equal to 1 upon root 3. Fellow will cancel. Will cancel as well. 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus lambda is equal to 1. Cancel this. 2 minus 1 is equal to lambda. Lambda is equal to 1. Now if I substitute in equation 1, vector r is equal to 2i plus j plus 2k. 2i plus j plus 2k, answer is option C. Okay, let's move to the next question. Mean deviation about the mean from the data. Statistics, sometimes one question will be there. Deviation about the mean, deviation about the median, or relation between the coefficient of variation, standard deviation, right? Now, mean deviation about the mean is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n modulus of xi minus x bar whole divided by n. Mean deviation about the mean formula. Right? Mean is equal to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, right? If I add all this 3 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 5 whole divided by 7. Okay, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 49. 49 divided by 7, mean is equal to 7, right? Like guys. This is mean. Bar is equal to 7. Modulus of xi minus x bar will be equal to 3 minus 7 with the mod is 4, 3 is also 3, then this is 3, right? This is 0 and then 3, then 2. If you add all this, 1 by n, 1 by n is 1 by 7, then you add 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2, 12, 16, 12 plus 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 4 by 7. Okay, now 18 divided by 7, 7 2 is 14, 5 7 is 35, okay, 7 7 is 49.57. Okay, answer is option D. Question. The probability distribution of x is given. What should be the value of k? Sum of all probabilities is 1, right? Equal to 0.2 plus k plus k plus 2k equal to 1. Sum of all probabilities is 1. 4k is equal to 1 minus 0.2. 4k is equal to 0.8. Okay, 4k is equal to 0.8 can be written as 8 by 10. Fellow will cancel 2 times. 2 by 10 is 0.2. That is first option. To add all the probabilities, sum of all probabilities is 1. Right, let's move to the next question. Function g of x is given. I'm supposed to find out what is g dash of 0. Right, now g dash of x equal to 1 by 200, 200 x to the power of 199 plus 1 by 199, 199 x to the power of 198. Okay, and then 1 by 198, 198 x to the power of 197. So on this will continue. 1 by 2 differentiation of x square is 2x, differentiation of 1, differentiation of 5 is 0. Will cancel. Right, now x is tending g dash of 0. Wherever x is there, you put 0, you get all zeros. Okay, and then if the constant term is left out is 1. The answer should be equal to 1. Right, that was a simple question on differentiation. Let's move to the question. A box contains 6 red marbles. Okay, 6 red, numbered 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 4 white, numbered 12, 12 through 15. That is 12, 13, 14, and 15. Find the probability that the marble drawn at random is white, dot color, odd numbered. Probability of drawing a marble which is white, okay, and odd numbered. Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3 plus 4, total 10. Okay, it should be white and it should be a white and it should be an odd numbered 2. Right? White and odd numbered is 2 only. 2 by 10 equal to 1 by 5. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. If x is tending to 0, I get 0 by 0 form, right? Because cos 0 is 1 by 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 by 0. I'll get 0 by 0 form. Right, now see, whenever you get 0 by 0 form, differentiate the numerator denominator separately. That is called L'Hopital's rule. So limit x is tending to 0. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Now this is sin x by x. Sin x by x is 1, sandwich theorem. Left out is 1 by 2. Right, any function, if limit x is tending to a, f of x by g of x of the form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. Right, that is called L'Hopital's rule. Right, don't read this as L'Hopital's rule. H and S is silent, so it should be read as L'Hopital's rule. Let's move to the next question. F of x is continuous. Find the value of k. Right, now listen. Don't use that all board method. It's continuous, right? So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. LHL is equal to RHL. Okay, you take this 5 and substitute. Less than 5 is left hand limit, more than 5 is right hand limit. You take 5 and substitute, you'll get 3 into 5. 3 into 5 minus 8. Right hand limit is 2 into k. So 15 minus 8 is equal to 2k. 7 by 2 is equal to k. Right, answer is option. Right, let's move to the next question. F of x is equal to 2x square, right? Now if I substitute this, 2 into 3.8 the whole square minus 2 into 4 square divided by 3.8 minus 4. Take 2 common. 3.8 the whole square minus 4 square whole divided by 3.8 minus 4 can be written as 3.8 minus 4 to 3.8 plus 4 divided by 3.8 minus 4. Okay, this will cancel. We'll get 2 into 7.8 equal to 16. 5 to 15.6. Okay, answer is option C. Right, I'll stop here, guys. I'll come with next session. In my next session, I'll come with 32 at KCET 2000. All right, before I stop, guys, thanks for joining me. Please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notified all our classes. Thank you, guys.